Today we are going to be talking about photography for wedding and events, especially focusing on floral arrangement and decor. Whether you are a professional florist or just starting out, these tips and techniques will help you capture stunning images that will truly capture the beauty of the event. First up, let's talk about planning. Before you even start shooting, take time to plan out your shots and make a short list. This will ensure that you capture all the necessary details and get the shots you need. Additionally, think about the background. Natural backdrop can help the arrangement pop and stand out in the image. Lighting is also incredibly important when it comes to photography. Try to use natural light if possible and avoid using flash. Additionally, experiment with different angles to create interesting and dynamic images. When it comes to taking pictures, pay attention to the focus and depth of field. Ensuring that every element of the arrangement is in crisp focus makes a huge difference in the final image. Also, take the time to carefully examine the arrangement for any imperfections and fix them before you shooting. Using the placement of the flowers to create dimensions and playing with different texture and colors can also help create visual interest in your photos. Just remember to use colors strategically, as dark colors in groups can read as dark holes. And finally, you don't need expensive equipment or a lot of technical knowledge to take great photos. Today's smartphones are capable of producing stunning images, and there are plenty of apps available to help edit and refine your photos. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your photography. Hope this video will help you to capture beautiful images at wedding and events. Thank you for watching. See you next time.